Hi, first graders. It's Mrs. Heimsoth here, and I'm here to explain day 2 of your snow day packet. I hope you guys are staying warm and hopefully get to go outside and play like Mrs. H said yesterday. So I'm going to walk you through today's packet. Today is day 2. On our first worksheet, we are going to color the pictures that have the same beginning sound. This is our phonemic awareness. So I'm going to say these words, and we're going to listen for the beginning sound. And remember, the beginning sound is that first sound you hear. Here's a bee, butterfly, cat, balloon. So let's look at these two. Bee, butterfly. Those both start with the B sound, so I'm going to color those two. If you don't have any crayons at home, you can also just circle them. Okay, so let's look at the rest of our problem. Bee, butterfly, cat. Butterfly, cat. Cat starts with K, not the B sound, so we're not going to color him. So let's keep going. Bee, butterfly, balloon. Balloon also starts with the B sound, just like bee and butterfly. So I'm also going to color my balloon. You're going to do that for the rest of this worksheet. Just listen for that beginning sound. All right, here's our second worksheet of the day. This is one of our phonics worksheets, and we're going to match the words with the blends. So we're going to tap out our word, slug, slug. So then I'm going to find the picture of the slug, which they've already done for us. And you're going to draw that line to match them up. Our next worksheet is another phonics worksheet, and this is going to be very similar to what we just did, except instead of matching, you're going to circle the word. And you did one just like this yesterday with Mrs. H. So this is chop. So let's tap it out. Ch, op, chop. So that one matches, so we're going to circle it. It's always good practice. You can go ahead and tap these out too. Sh, op, shop. Well, it's not shop, and it's not k, op, cop. That's not a cop. Make sure you listen and tap out all those sounds. Just like yesterday with Mrs. H, we have another sight word scramble. So I'm going to look up here for all my sight words that we could use. And I'm going to look here. We have T-E-N-W, and I'm going to look for words up here that have T-E-N and W. And it looks like went is our sight word. Went. W-E-N-T, went. Then I'm going to cross it off so I know that I've already used it. Up next, we have our synonyms worksheet. Yesterday, we worked with antonyms. Today, we're working with synonyms, and synonyms are words that mean the same thing. So if your heart has synonyms, you're going to color it. So let's look at this one. High, up. High and up. Those are synonyms because you can reach high in the sky and birds can fly up in the sky. They both are the same. So we're going to color that heart. If they are not synonyms, you're just going to leave the heart blank. Up next, we have a passage, and it looks like it's about Mary and a little lamb. So you're going to read the passage, and then you have 3 questions to answer about your story. And that is for comprehension. Up next, we have Tim and Ben. This is a story that you can practice reading. Find your parents or siblings or grandparents or even your dog and read to them. And here is our math for today. We have 4 pages, and we are reviewing subtraction. So remember, when we subtract, we grab our big number and count back. And when we subtract, we use the minus sign. So I'll do the first one with you. 2 minus 1. So I'm going to circle and grab my 2, and I'm going to count backwards 1 time. 2, 1. 2 minus 1 equals 1. If you're having trouble grabbing those numbers, remember, you also have pictures here to help you. Our grammar worksheet for today is working on nouns and verbs. Remember, a noun is a person, place, thing, or animal. And a verb is an action word, something that you can do. So I'll do a couple with you. This first word is cow. Now, you can either cut and glue these words in the boxes, but I'm just going to write them and cross them off. So our first word is cow. Is cow a noun or a verb? Well, cow is an animal, so that goes over here with the nouns. Cow. I'm going to cross it off so I know I've already done it. Let's look at the next one. Runs. Now, the word runs is not a person, it's not a place, or thing, or animal. It is an action. We can run. So it's going to go over here in the verbs. Runs. Looks like you only have 6 more to do. And our very last page is our Freewrite. Just like yesterday, we have a beautiful picture, and it's got 5 words up here. We have trees, mountain, cottage, canoe, and horse. And I want you to try to write me 3 sentences using 3 of those vocabulary words. Don't forget, if you have any problems, email your teacher. Hope you guys have a good day.